Loch Lomond is one of Scotland's most famous lochs, located in the heart of the Trossachs National Park. Its history is steeped in natural, cultural, and historical significance, dating back thousands of years. It is the largest lake in Great Britain by surface area, covering approximately 27 square miles or 71 square kilometers.
The tap of my fingers to the beat, so extreme is the ride. I play all day and night and deal with the harmful psychology.
The loch contains over 30 islands, the largest being Inchmurrin, which is the largest freshwater island in the British Isles. Some of these islands are steeped in history with ancient ruins, castles, and even crannogs, which are ancient wooden dwellings built on stilts. The loch marks the boundary between the Scottish Highlands and Lowlands, offering visitors diverse landscapes ranging from rugged mountains in the north to gentler, rolling countryside in the south. Loch Lomond is popular for various water activities, including kayaking, canoeing, and sailing. The large expanse of water is ideal for leisurely boat trips, with several ferries and tour available to explore the islands and shores. Loch Lomond attracts tourists year-round. There are numerous villages and towns along its shores, including Balloch, Luss, and Balmaha, each offering a unique experience, from quaint accommodations to restaurants and outdoor activities. The nearby Loch Lomond Shores complex that we walked past earlier offers shopping, dining, and a gateway to explore the loch further. The surrounding area offers excellent hiking opportunities. The West Highland Way, a famous long-distance footpath, runs along the eastern shore of the loch. Ben Lomond, a prominent mountain near the loch, is a popular hike for those looking to summit one of Scotland's many Munros mountains over 3,000 feet. The loch and its surrounding areas are home to a diverse range of wildlife, including ospreys, golden eagles, and red deer. The islands in the loch provide nesting grounds for various bird species, and the water itself supports populations of otters and other aquatic animals. Loch Lomond lies in the historic region of Lennox, also known as Lenacht in Gaelic, which was once part of the Kingdom of Strathclyde, a Celtic kingdom. After the kingdom's fall, the area became part of Scotland. The loch and its surroundings are mentioned in many medieval documents and have links to Gaelic culture and clan history.